Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Armor 17 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first we should just open the Muviz Edge application, and now just let's select another tab, for example this one. Click apply. To change backgrounds we should swipe to the up or to the down here the screen, then click to apply. To hide music controls after 10 seconds or never, just slide this white dot on the panel. To show the date, you should turn on or turn off the switcher and battery status, to show it always while charging or just to don't show it. Click the X icon, switch AOD to the settings and tap to always on display to show it on lock screen always while charging. On music also we just could use these two options separately. We can decrease and increase the brightness level, to switch timeout from 50 seconds to never. To change the orientation from the auto to portrait landscape, reverse landscape, to close it with a single tap on the lock screen. If you use fingerprint unlock method, just to activate the switcher, turn off, to close it on fingerprint, on screen off, to set the shadow, the start and the end time of the AOD option, and to use it in pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD option on our UleFone Armor 17 Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave thumbs up and to subscribe our channel.